Hi children, this is the second part of human body. In this part, we will read about the internal organs of the human body. Internal organs are located at different places inside our body and they play an important role. We know that we have several internal organs and they have the different role in our body. The major internal organs are brain, lungs, heart, stomach, kidneys, liver, bones, and intestines. Let us now study these organs in detail. First, we will read about the brain. Here, the diagram of brain is given. Brain is an important organ of our body, and brain is located inside the head. Our brain helps us to think and also send messages to all parts of the body. It is very delicate, so it is protected by a bony structure called a skull. Brain controls each activities of our body. Okay? The next one is heart. Heart is a very important organ of the body. And where it located? It located on the left side of the chest cavity. It is protected inside our rib cage. Okay, where it protected? It is protected inside our rib cage. And it is a muscular organ. What do you mean by muscular organ? Muscular organs means made up of muscles that pumps blood to various organs of the body. Blood is carried through narrow vessels or tubes called blood vessels. Next one is lungs. Lungs are spongy structures present inside the chest cavity. They are two in numbers. We breathe with the help of our lungs. They expand when we breathe in and absorb oxygen and contract and exhale carbon dioxide when we breathe out. How many numbers of lungs in our body? There are two numbers of lungs in our body. One is right lungs, another is left lungs. Right lungs is slightly bigger than the left one. Next is stomach and intestines. The food that we eat reaches the stomach through the food pipe. Food pipe is also known as esophagus. It is located inside our abdomen. From the stomach, the food goes into the intestines. These organs break down food into simpler substances because our body cannot absorb the complex substances. So the body can use them. The process is called digestion. Next is liver. Liver is the largest internal organ of the human body. Liver is located on the right side of the stomach. It is reddish brown in color. It produces digestive juices that help in the breakdown of food because as you know that our body can absorb only the simpler substances. Next one is kidneys. As you know that kidneys are two in numbers. Kidney are two bean-shaped organs present inside our abdomen. They filter excess amount of salt and water from our blood and eliminate it from our body in the form of urine. As you know that the waste material which is not good for our body is just eliminated from our body. So which organ help to eliminate this? This one is kidney. Bones. Bones give shape to our body. Muscles are attached to the bones which helps us in the movement. If our muscle is not attached with the bones, we can't move. How many bones in our body? There are 206 bones in our body. And what they form? They together form the skeleton. And how many muscles are in our body? There are 600 muscles in our body. Which is the largest bone in our body? The thigh bone is the largest bone in our body. Thank you.